Presented on the beachier side of Orange County, I bring to you Ocean Hills, done by Toll Brothers in San Juan Capistrano, California. This private gated collection of homes is located just minutes away from popular dining and shopping opportunities, those including Fashion Island in Newport Beach, Balboa Pier, and various other shops in Dana Point and Laguna Beach as well. The community at Ocean Hills has been positioned on a premium lot, ensuring to maximize the breathtaking ocean view and coastline views. The unparalleled attention to detail that Toll Brothers puts into every single one of their creations justifies the fact that this community is one of the best in Orange County. Boasting 20-foot ceilings, floating stairs, modern glass paneling, and artistic light fixtures, this home is fit for anyone who has an eye for modern design. At just under 5,300 square feet, including 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a starting lot price of just under $2.2 million, this community is essentially one of the most beautiful you can achieve in this area. Today, I'm going to be showcasing you guys the Vera Cruz Elite model home in Pacifica San Juan, Ocean Hills, done by Toll Brothers. I am honored to be featuring the Ocean Hills community on my channel. This community has won the award for the best community in the entire state of California. Now that's a big accomplishment. Now without any further ado, let's go take a look at this modern home. Now this model home is going to be the Italiante version, and the starting price of a brand new construction of this home is going to be just under $2.2 million. Featuring a marble-like flooring, a modernly sculpted outdoor pool with beautiful city and oceanfront views, this lot is in an optimal location for a person who is looking for an incredible viewpoint at the beach. As this particular Vera Cruz Elite model home is the Italiante style, you're going to notice the various bricks and stones that are used on the front of the home, distinguishing that from the other types. First entering into this massive 5,300 square foot modern mansion, we notice a very large modernly designed glass door that opens up to a beautiful chandelier hanging from the ceiling and a set of floating stairs that are seen as soon as you walk in the home. One thing to note about the Vera Cruz Elite is that it has a fantastic open floor plan with several expansive windows and several sets of sliding glass doors that allow for a beautiful open concept layout. Hanging from the 20-foot ceiling, we find a nice collection of an artistically designed light fixture. Right under that modern light fixture features the grand living room, sprinkled with modernly designed plants, pillows, and stones. Now after opening up those sliding glass doors, I'm going to take you on a tour of the massive backyard space. This massive backyard features a very large 6-foot deep pool, followed along with multiple seating areas, and a marble-like stone walkway that separates the hot tub from the traditional pool and leads out to the other various seating areas featured at this home. Next to the covered seating area, we also do see a built-in barbecue with other refrigerated storage areas below. A modernly sculpted fireplace is also present at the uncovered seating area in the backyard. Just take a look at how incredible the pool looks next to that beautiful ocean view. Now one thing I absolutely love about this home is the modern contemporary style that it holds on the outdoors. I just love the large glass paneling. Moving back inside the Vera Cruz Elite model home, we're going to notice this very formal looking dining room featured only in the Vera Cruz Elite model home. This is what distinguishes the traditional Vera Cruz from the Vera Cruz Elite, is this extra space downstairs. Moving through the kitchen, we're going to see an exclusive wine bottle storage area which is enclosed by a large glass door, with a seating area for 2, contemporary artwork, and a space for hundreds of bottles of wine. This space of the home ensures that the owner of this home will be able to display every single expensive bottle of wine that they own. Moving through the kitchen, we're going to notice that this kitchen features not 1, but 2 expansive center islands. One of them including a sink with a spot for a seating area, whereas the other one features multiple cupboards and an extra spot for seating guests as well. Moving through the dual sets of center islands, we find a secret room that you may not have noticed. Now this secret room is going to feature a nicely sized office space. Staged in this home, you are going to find a chalkboard calendar along with other various pieces of artwork. Now before I take you guys to the upstairs that you all want to see, there is one more office space downstairs that I do have to show you. So let's go take a look. Again, designed with a contemporary modern style look, with a marble-like wall fixture next to the desk, a nice light fixture above, with a TV space and dual seating areas. This office space is perfect for the owner of their home to be closing the big deals that they must be doing if they're going to be afforded this house. Alright, now the moment that you've all been waiting for, let's go see what lies upstairs. As we head up these floating stairs, you notice the beautiful glass panels right under the railing that adds to the perfect contemporary modern look that this home achieves. As we first walk up these stairs and make a right turn, we're gonna notice the informal living room. Featured here are 2 couches, a nice seating area perfect for the kids to do homework, and a TV as well. And let's not forget the nice polar bear rug. One of the things that I really did like about this informal living room is the fact that it is seamlessly connected with the downstairs of this home as well. You were able to look over the railing and still see the view outside of those glass panels. Now heading down that open walkway, we're going to be making a left turn, which is going to take us right into the master bedroom of this home. Featured in the very large master bedroom, we are going to find a marble-like fireplace next to an expansive California king-size bed with a TV area and 2 personal seats that are featured right in front of the bed. Another noteworthy feature in this master bedroom is the incredible master suite bathroom. When I first walked into this master bathroom, the first thing I noticed was the freestanding tub and the incredibly nice shower space as well. Not to mention the studio professional lighting that is featured on either sink. The 2 sinks are connected as well. Another very noteworthy feature of this home is going to be the expansive master closet. This closet really reminded me of a particular designer store. Notice the nice light fixture in the center and all the modern shelving and other areas to hold jewelry and such. To me, it really looked like a designer storefront. After exiting the beautiful master bathroom space, we then head on down to the retreat featured in the master bedroom. Featured in this luxurious retreat area, Toll Brothers had decided to make a massive modern fireplace designed with marble, along with 2 beautiful chandeliers that hang from the ceiling. As I take you on outdoors, you notice the modernly styled railing with the glass panels and the other various seating areas outdoors as well. This nice retreat space features an incredible view of the city. Just take a look at the exquisite views that this lot provides, ranging from the cityscape all the way out to an ocean view as well. Not to mention the beautiful view that you see from your modern pool area. After taking a look at the magnificent modern master suite, I then take you on to look at the other bedrooms featured on the upstairs level of this home. I just can't get over the expansive modern look of the entire house. I could just stare at that all day long. Heading down the openly designed hallway, we are going to have a large washroom featured with nice contemporary backsplash and a sink as well. I then take you into the other secondary bedrooms featured in this home. All of these bedrooms feature nice sizable closets, and these 2 bedrooms in particular share a Jack and Jill bathroom, which connects the 2 rooms by this joined bathroom. However, this bathroom does have dual vanity sinks. Toll Brothers designed these 2 rooms in superhero themes. A nice touch if younger kids are going to be moving into this home. Now heading on outside of those 2 bedrooms, we're going to go take a look at the last bedroom that is featured on the 2nd floor. Now taking a look inside this bedroom, we're going to notice that it's definitely styled for a female, and it is going to feature a nice chandelier on the top with dual French doors that lead out to a nice view of the entire neighborhood as well, featuring a sizable closet and a half bathroom as well. Now after exploring the entire upstairs with you guys, I go ahead and take you downstairs to look at the one room that we did miss. The modernly designed guest bedroom that is featured on the 1st floor is going to resemble the master bedroom as well. Although not as large as the master bedroom, this contemporary guest bedroom does in fact feature a chandelier and a large, designer-like walk-in closet. Toll Brothers also did a nice modernly designed TV area for this room as well. Boasting a very similar closet to the master bedroom, this room also is designed like a designer store, something that I just truly love in these new construction homes. This guest bedroom also does feature a full-size bathroom along with various contemporary artwork pieces throughout. After taking you guys on a detailed tour throughout this entire modern home, I had the incredible opportunity to speak with Maddie Kowalik, who is the senior sales consultant with Toll Brothers at Ocean Hills, Pacifica San Juan, and she is going to provide some additional information about this home with you guys, and we're going to jump to that clip right now.
What's going on, everybody? I'm here with Maddie. She's the senior sales consultant with Toll Brothers. We're here in San Juan Capistrano looking at some beautiful model homes. So can you please tell us about some of the model homes?
Absolutely. First of all, thank you so much for coming out here and showcasing our beautiful award-winning community. So we are at Ocean Hills by Toll Brothers and the master plan community of Pacifica San Juan. We did win Community of the Year, which we're super excited about. We did have judges that drove 500 miles, saw every new home community from Palm Springs to San Diego, Orange County, and LA, and they did vote us as Community of the Year.
Awesome.
Which then put us up for nationals for North America. We were in the top 5.
Awesome.
So you're at the right place, Jacob.
Absolutely. All right, so Maddie, I see that you guys have 3 floor plans available for the Toll Brothers community. So what exactly do those comprise of?
Well, we actually have 3 models here that we're the Veracruz Elite right now. We have 3 models that are the Altamonte floor plan, the Santiago, and the Veracruz Elite. However, we also have 3 other floor plans as well for a total of 6. 2 of them are single level homes and the other 4 are 2 stories. And you can see all that on our website as well.
Right.
Yeah. One thing I do want to point out is our proximity. We are about a 3-minute drive to Dana Point Harbor. We get this amazing ocean breeze that you can feel right now.
Yeah, I do.
So really it's the lifestyle. Beyond the fact that you're living in a gorgeous community, the lifestyle of coastal living is what we're really excited about as well. We're right by Pacific Coast Highway, and that'll shoot you 10 minutes down the road to Ritz-Carlton, and then another 10 minutes to Laguna Beach. Right after that, you're in Newport Coast, Corona Del Mar, and Fashion Island. So yeah, we're very close to everything.
Love it.
If you haven't already, guys, if you could please smash that like button, I would greatly appreciate that. And if you could subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, I would also greatly appreciate that. I wanted to remind all of my new subscribers that I am posting a brand new house tour 1 time per week, so please stay tuned for that. I put a lot of hard work and thought into my videos, and I want to make sure that I provide the best quality content for you guys, so please stay tuned. Guys, also please do not forget to connect with me on my other social media platforms.